have some though, don't you?
I have the balls.
And that's it, girl.
Yeah, but I didn't see nothing at Hobby Lobby. $95.
We're in a recession.
Evidently. No.
Skimp.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, skimpy tree. This one's nice. Nice and fat.
Only thing is like we put it's not like a...
All right, girl, keep on walking. You in your treeology lessons.
Here. Come over here. I like this one.
Yeah, that one's nice.
Yeah, this one is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Is he just another man over there? Or is this just...
Black.
Jesus? You got it.
You know, I think next year, I think we should go get a tree that's not green.
No.
Okay.
Thanks for trying, though. I appreciate your contribution.
No, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Whoa, you okay? Please be careful.
I'll try.
You tried?
Shortest one upstairs.
Literally.
First off, hold on. Is it plugged in? Yes.
Yeah.
It's plugged in over here.
Yeah.
Behind
Well,
the
not
bin.
that. I just want to plug this up first.
You want to wrap
Can you
it
take
around?
this?
You want to wrap it
Can
around?
you move that box?
Oh, is this mine?
No. Who's it for?
Dream pears. What is it?
Shoes.
I don't know if it's shoes. Sorry.
Baby.
Do you need me to untangle something?
This.
There you go.
Hi, Stinker Pretty.
Oh my God. If you break this TV, she gonna break your behind.
Literally.
Stop laughing. It's not funny. Baby, this is not the time to be laughing on a step stool.
Why would you say that? She got a warranty. Girl. Why?
I hope so. Do you have one?
Yes. Hold on. Question. Best. Remember when I said the two?
Oh, A is?
E S.
And then the other one is E.
Yes, correct. Good job. Oh, you sleepy. I see you yawning over there, single booty. Boy, you know something? You the bottle and the pack. Look. What do you think this is? Hold on. He smiled. That ain't funny.
Man, drop that shit to you fuck niggas.
The spirits up, we're here tonight, and that's enough. Simply having one little Christmas time. Simply having one little Christmas time.
Wait.
Simply having one little Christmas time. 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 Party's on, feeling's here, and when we come, it's time of year. Simply having wonderful Christmas time. We're here tonight. Spirits on. We're here tonight. Parties on. We're here tonight. Spirits on. We're here tonight. Wonderful Christmas time. Wonderful Christmas, 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 Christmas.
Pop it with your pop, with your pop it with your pop, pop it with your pop it with your pop it with your pop, pop.
You can kiss me, get a truck, tip, loud, push 'em up, I ain't popping, not a car,
here. But thank you for watching this video. Definitely make sure you tune in for Vlogmas Day 7. Wow, almost a week already. I hope y'all been tuning in to 1 through 6 so far, okay? Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.